Hello, it's April 17th, 2026 at the Fun And Sun Airshow in Lakeland, Florida. Keep wanting to say Texas. Figured I'd shoot a video of this B-25. It's all polished aluminum. It's quite a good looking airplane. Apparently you can go on flights of it. Go for a ride. I don't know if I want to do that, but
ladies and gentlemen, from the left, the full throttle formation to with the B2 Spirit formation.
Is it a B2 Spirit formation?
Bob's away.
Wow.
Cameras at the ready.
Yeah, the Lockheed Constellation, I think. It did a couple of beautiful flybys. I didn't film it though because I was kind of in the back on the bleachers. But I figured I'd shoot a little more video of it here. It's so big I gotta get back a little. Yeah, Legends Foundation. Engines are huge, but when it was flying, they looked small.
DC-10's big bro.
At the back now. Get a good video of the distinctive triple tails here. I don't know what the precise name is, but there's like 3 tailplanes. Oh wow, there's a ladder down. I'm going to film that. There's a ladder. It's got a pretty big cargo door, but it is marked Air Force, so I guess it's cargo.
Each pilot time